The hum of São Paulo's relentless energy, once a familiar rhythm, had become a dull roar for the family who now yearned for a different kind of symphony. They craved the quiet rustle of leaves, the untamed embrace of nature, and a life lived at a more deliberate pace. This yearning led them 55 kilometers northeast to Santa Isabel, a town nestled within an environmental reserve, where a 900 square meters plot of land awaited, promising a sanctuary of peace amidst abundant native vegetation. It was here that Pitanga House, a vision of serene living crafted by Estúdio BRA Arquitetura, would rise. The very essence of the lot dictated the home's design. With colossal trees on all sides, the most captivating vistas were those plunging deep into the densest part of the forest. This natural abundance meant that every strategic placement within Pitanga House was geared towards framing these lush, green panoramas, ensuring that the surrounding environment remained undisturbed, a testament to the family's desire to live in harmony with nature rather than conquer it. Pitanga House is an architectural poem in 3 distinct volumes, each playing a crucial role in the narrative of peaceful living. The uppermost volume, a striking concrete structure housing the bedrooms, stands as a strong, grounded presence. It rests confidently upon the ground floor, which serves as the heart of daily life and the primary point of access. This lower level thoughtfully incorporates 2 enclosed sections, a ground floor apartment designed for accessibility, and a practical hub containing the kitchen, laundry, pantry, barbecue area, and the staircase leading to the upper sleeping quarters. The genius of the ground floor lies in its seamless integration with the outdoors. Far from being a solid barrier, this level is a masterclass in transparency, employing expansive sheets of glass to define and dissolve the boundaries of the living and dining areas. This clever design allows for an effortless flow between the interior and the leisure area and pool, all situated on the same level. Here, the line between inside and out blurs, inviting the surrounding trees to become an intrinsic part of the home's vibrant life, a constantly shifting backdrop of natural beauty. Descending to the lowest level, embedded gracefully into the natural contours of the land, lies another concrete volume. This secluded haven is a testament to the family's newfound work-life balance, featuring an office for the couple, a dedicated space for their 3 beloved dogs, 2 majestic English shepherds, and a playful mongrel, and practical elements like a garden and vegetable patch and the pool machinery room. Access to this subterranean world is via a prefabricated concrete spiral staircase, a deliberate design choice that transforms a simple transition into a meaningful journey. This spiral staircase isn't just a means of getting from one floor to another, it's a symbolic path and a kind of movement within the home itself. As the couple descends its winding form, it subtly registers the act of leaving for work, even if that departure only means stepping away from the main living volume. It's a beautifully choreographed ritual that marks the shift from domesticity to professional focus, all within the comforting embrace of their personal sanctuary. Ultimately, the choice of a concrete structure for Pitanga House is more than just an aesthetic decision, it's a profound statement. The house, with its robust and earthy materiality, appears to emerge organically from its surroundings, like a rock in the middle of the trees. This deliberate design choice aims to forge a smooth and respectful transition between the natural world and the man-made, embodying the family's journey towards a life of tranquility, deeply rooted in the peace and beauty of Santa Isabel's environmental reserve. And there you have it, the Pitanga House, a testament to finding peace amidst nature's embrace. If this glimpse into tranquil living has inspired you, or if you simply appreciate thoughtful architecture, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into unique homes and spaces, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.